Did you know that every story you've ever loved follows the exact same ancient pattern? A literature professor named Joseph Campbell spent 30 years reading thousands of myths, legends, and religious texts from every corner of the world. From ancient Mesopotamian tales to Greek epics to Native American stories, he discovered something incredible. Every culture was telling the same story. The hero leaves home, faces trials, dies and is reborn, then returns with wisdom. Campbell called this the hero's journey, and realized these weren't just entertainment, they were blueprints for human psychological development. George Lucas used Campbell's work to create Star Wars, following this ancient formula perfectly. Campbell became famous through his interviews with Bill Moyers, where he shared his most powerful insight: the cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek. His research proved that all humans share the same fundamental journey from dependence to independence to transcendence. Ancient myths aren't just stories. They're the ultimate guide for navigating your own life's challenges and finding meaning in the modern world.